welcome back to our Urban Ecology and Wildlife miniseries. In the previous episode, we explored the surprising diversity of life that thrives within our cities. Today, we delve deeper into the fascinating relationship between urban landscapes and wildlife. We'll explore how cities, often perceived as concrete jungles, can become havens for biodiversity. Stay tuned as we uncover 7 ways urban areas can support a rich tapestry of life. Number 1. Cultivating green roofs. In the heart of bustling cities where space is a luxury, rooftops offer an unexpected opportunity, a chance to cultivate miniature ecosystems. Green roofs covered in a vibrant tapestry of vegetation transform these concrete platforms into thriving habitats. Imagine a world where bees buzz between blossoms, butterflies flutter amongst wildflowers, and birds find refuge amidst the urban sprawl. These elevated gardens not only provide sanctuary for wildlife, but also offer a multitude of benefits for citizens. Number 2, increasing the number of trees. The air we breathe, the very essence of life, finds its purification in the emerald embrace of trees. In the urban environment, where concrete dominates, trees stand as silent guardians, their leafy canopies filtering pollutants and releasing life-giving oxygen. But their significance extends far beyond their role as nature's air purifiers. Urban forests and strategically planted trees provide essential habitats for a myriad of creatures. Birds construct their nests amidst the branches, squirrels scamper along their sturdy limbs, and insects find refuge beneath their protective shade. Number 3, constructing green bridges and passages. Imagine a city where nature's pathways intertwine seamlessly with the urban fabric. Picture a place where the hustle and bustle of urban life coexists harmoniously with the serene presence of nature. Here, green corridors snake through the concrete jungle, creating a network of lifelines that breathe vitality into the city. In this urban oasis, wildlife can navigate the concrete jungle with ease. Animals, once confined to shrinking habitats, now find safe passage through the city. They move gracefully, crossing streets and parks, blending into the urban landscape as if they were always meant to be there. These are the wildlife corridors and greenways, vital lifelines that connect fragmented habitats. They serve as bridges, linking isolated patches of green and allowing animals to traverse the city without fear. These corridors are meticulously planned and maintained, ensuring that wildlife can thrive amidst the urban sprawl and allowing animals to move freely in search of food, mates, and shelter. These pathways are more than just routes. They are sanctuaries that provide the resources animals need to survive. As they journey through these greenways, they find nourishment, companionship, and safe havens to rest. Picture a deer emerging from the forest edge, stepping cautiously into the urban realm. It moves with a quiet grace, its senses alert to the new environment. Gracefully traversing an underpass beneath a busy road, its journey made possible by these carefully designed corridors. The underpass, a marvel of engineering, provides a safe passageway, shielding the deer from the dangers of traffic. These pathways are not just functional, they are a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to coexistence with nature. These green pathways not only reduce the risk of roadkill, but also foster a sense of safety for both animals and humans. Signs and signals alert drivers to the presence of wildlife, creating a shared space where all can move freely and safely. They also promote genetic diversity, ensuring that isolated populations can interbreed. This genetic flow is crucial for the resilience and adaptability of urban wildlife, allowing them to thrive in ever-changing environments, ensuring the long-term health of urban wildlife populations. These thriving populations are a testament to the success of these greenways, showcasing a future where cities and nature coexist in harmony. The vision of nature's highways is not just a dream, it is a blueprint for sustainable urban living. Number 4, maintaining and preserving gardens serving as habitats. Within the urban landscape, gardens become more than just aesthetic additions. They transform into vital oases for local wildlife. By embracing the principles of native planting, we create gardens that cater to the specific needs of our indigenous fauna. Imagine a hummingbird, its iridescent feathers shimmering as it hovers delicately, sipping nectar from a vibrant trumpet vine. This harmonious interaction is made possible by choosing plants that have co-evolved with local wildlife, providing them with the nourishment they need to thrive. Number 5, increasing the number of water bodies. Water, the elixir of life, sustains all living creatures. It flows through our cities, bringing with it a sense of tranquility and vitality. Its presence in the urban environment is no less crucial than in the wild. Water bodies in cities act as lungs, purifying the air and providing a refreshing escape from the concrete jungle. By incorporating water features and wetlands into our cities, we not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also promote environmental sustainability. These water bodies create thriving ecosystems that support a diverse array of species, from the smallest insects to larger mammals. Imagine a dragonfly, its wings shimmering like stained glass, darting over the surface of a tranquil pond. This delicate creature is a testament to the beauty and complexity of urban ecosystems. The dragonfly's presence signifies a healthy environment, one where nature and urban life coexist harmoniously. These aquatic havens not only provide habitat for fish, amphibians, and insects, but they also play a crucial role in the urban food web. Frogs croak from lily pads, fish swim gracefully beneath the surface, and insects buzz around, each playing their part in this delicate balance. These water sources also serve as vital watering holes for terrestrial animals, quenching their thirst amidst the urban heat. Birds, squirrels, and even larger mammals like deer can be seen visiting these oases. The sight of wildlife quenching their thirst in the heart of the city is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. It shows that even in the most urbanized areas, nature finds a way to thrive. These urban water features also provide a space for people to connect with nature. Families gather, children play, and individuals find solace in the calming presence of water. They offer a place for recreation, relaxation, and reflection, enhancing the quality of life for city dwellers. Whether it's a morning jog by the pond, a yoga session by the water, or a community event, these spaces bring people together. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to reflect on the water's surface, we are reminded of the beauty and importance of these urban oases. They are not just water bodies, but also lifelines that sustain both nature and humanity. Number 6, building more bird-friendly construction designs. As cities reach for the sky, we must consider the impact of our structures on the avian inhabitants that share our urban spaces. These birds, often unnoticed, play a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to pest control, pollination, and seed dispersal. Their presence adds a touch of nature to our concrete jungles, reminding us of the delicate balance between urban development and wildlife conservation. Bird-friendly building designs incorporate features that minimize the risk of collisions, ensuring the safety of these feathered creatures. Innovations such as patterned glass, which birds can see and avoid, and already mentioned green roofs that provide habitat and food sources, are becoming more common. These designs not only protect birds, but also enhance the aesthetic and environmental value of our buildings. Imagine a flock of birds soaring effortlessly through the urban canyons, their flight paths unimpeded by reflective glass. This vision can become a reality with thoughtful urban planning and design. By integrating bird-friendly elements into our cityscapes, we can create a harmonious coexistence between human and avian life. By implementing simple yet effective measures such as window decals and reduced lighting, we can create urban environments that are both awe-inspiring and safe for our avian companions. Window decals break up reflections that confuse birds, while reduced lighting at night prevents disorientation during migration. These small changes can have a significant impact, reducing bird fatalities and fostering a more sustainable urban ecosystem. As we continue to build and expand our cities, let us remember to consider our feathered friends, ensuring that our architectural marvels are not just human achievements, but also sanctuaries for the avian architects of the sky. Number 7, spreading awareness through education and engaging the community. The transformation of our cities into wildlife-friendly havens requires a collective effort, a shared vision where humans and nature coexist in harmony. By engaging the community, fostering a sense of stewardship and nurturing a love for the natural world, we can create a lasting legacy of conservation. Imagine a group of school children, their faces filled with wonder as they plant a tree, their small hands contributing to a greener future. Through education and outreach programs, we can empower future generations to become guardians of urban biodiversity. What did we learn today? As presented, urban areas have the potential and capacity to embrace, in addition to people, the rest of their inhabitants and make them feel welcome by providing them with a friendly environment for growth and development. They can offer support through cultivation of green roofs, planting more trees, design of green bridges and passages, maintenance and preservation of gardens, increase the number of water features, focusing on more bird-friendly building designs and spreading awareness and engaging the community. By embracing innovative design and awareness, as well as incorporating nature into our urban fabric and fostering a sense of community, we can create vibrant, biodiverse cities where both humans and wildlife can thrive. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how cities can become wildlife-friendly. Stay tuned for the next part of our Urban Ecology and Wildlife mini-series, where we'll delve into the fascinating adaptations of urban-dwelling animals. Let's leave it better than you found it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay with us and help us leave it better than you found it.